where we are. Guess where we are? Inside here. This is the ancestral home of the Ezza people. But if you want to know the details of this video, just keep watching. You're going to learn new things, just like I did. Okay, so welcome to the ancestral home of the most populous clan of Ebonyi State, where they resort to offer sacrifice and consult their ancestral deities for fortune, cleansing of taboos, and clarification of bad omen. This building you're seeing is like a traditional place where they pay homage, and it has 12 stools here. Those things you're seeing, they are all stools, okay, that represent the 12 sons of EZEKUNA. Beside it is a building in form of a church, so that if you're Christian, you will not say you are not going to come. On top of it, that thing that is boldly inscribed is "Pray for the good of Ezzas and pray for the good of others." So because the Ezzas are majorly made up of both Christians and traditional worshippers, that is why they made it in such a way that the Christians will not say, "I'm not going to come because it doesn't permit my faith," and so the traditional worshippers will say, "I'm not going to come because it doesn't permit my faith." The signboard says Okpoku EZEKUNA, Ezza Ancestral Home. Nchone Ezza. This place is said to be where EZEKUNA himself lives. His statue is currently inside the house in the bush, and then some of his properties like his mud plates are also there. It's just that we couldn't see it because we came unprepared. So guys, does your tribe have ancestral home? Drop it in the comment section. If you're among the 12 sons of Ezzas, drop it in the comment section. So guys, we are leaving, and this is Ikko Road. When you drive straight, you're going to join the Afikpo Road over there, just close to the international airport. So this is Onweke, just close to the market. See you guys in our next video. Bye bye. Love you. Thank you for watching Helen's Canal.